What's up, everybody? It's your main man, DJ Ron the Mechanic here, back with a little video, y'all. So this one is gonna be a little short, right quick. I'm pretty much doing a little update, let y'all know what's going on in the background. So before we begin, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that way you'll be notified whenever I drop a video, y'all. So, hey, look, I'm gonna show you the work that I got going on right now so y'all can see what is going on. All right, as y'all see, I'm in the garage because, man, it is windy as heck out there. Oh my gosh. I mean, it was blowing all my cardboard and stuff all over the place. Y'all probably would have laughed at me running trying to catch stuff flying. I'm like, oh no. So I had to keep it closed, y'all. So let me show y'all right quick what I'm working on. So I got the light going on. So this is my amplifier rack back here. So as y'all see, it's a little dusty right now because I'm doing a little updating on it. So I'm changing the color out on this here. So it's pretty much is going to match the same color like on my doors right there. So, and just like my rear board back there and everything. So yeah, that's gonna be a different color there. And plus, what I'm making a cover. So that way, see, like y'all see all my wires and connectors and all that there. See, you're not gonna see none of that. So all that is gonna be hidden. So, and here's the cover that I made. That's it right there. So what I was doing, I was as you can see, I was flush mounting my screws. Y'all see that? See that? Smooth. So yep. Got a few more to finish on it. Right where you see those holes at, I got those pre-drilled already. So I can go ahead and finish getting those together. This is what I'm using right here to get my holes drilled down to where I want it. But yep, pretty cool little tool right there. Of course, it comes from Harbor Freight. And of course, there go my screws right there. So, once I finish getting those done, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more sanding on the edges, pretty much. I gotta go back over that little spot right there. I didn't bring my cutter over enough on that, but yeah, hey, I'm gonna get that flaw straight. No, first time, but yeah, that's what the board look like, y'all. Y'all see it? That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna bring it on to the car so we can get a little test fit just to see how it looks. So let me see if I can set y'all down right quick the way y'all can see me go to work a little bit, so bear with me. All right, there we go. Get y'all situated. All right, so let's see what we look like, see if I have to make any more adjustments or anything. Let's see. Okay. All right, so yeah, you gotta make a little adjustment right on this edge over here. Yeah. All right. Yep. Cut it. yeah, I gotta shave that little board that I got on the inside. I see where it's hitting at. So, yep, gotta shave that down. Gotta get it right. Alright. Oh yeah. Gotta cut it a little bit more though. Gotta get it to fit good. But yeah, y'all kind of see where I'm going with it though, right? See that? That's what I'm going for right there. So I got a little bit more trimming to do on the inside, so that way it can pretty much fit real good. So this is my first time testing it with the little front piece on. So normally that's it. Without the piece, it just drops straight on. So, but yeah, I see what I gotta do the little cutting it on the inside part. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I see right on that side up in there. Cool. I get my pen with my pencil, whatever, and do the marking. So yeah, we're gonna get it straight, bud. Yep, we're gonna get it straight. But hey, tell me what y'all think. That gonna look pretty good, huh? Once I get it situated on that end, on the inside part there, and I'm gonna go ahead and like sand it some more on the sides. I'm gonna make sure that it's good and smooth and everything, front part. And then from that, then I'm gonna go ahead and get the wrapping. All this here, yeah, all this here being changed out. So everything gonna be the same color. All the way, it's gonna be the same color. But yeah, I can't wait, y'all. Ooh. And that's gonna look pretty good back there. Yep. So, all right, hey, look, I just wanted to give y'all a little update what's going on with the system now. I say I gotta pull this back out and do a little trimming on the front part there. So I'm about to start on that. But yep, just wanna keep y'all updated there. So, hey, I'm about to go ahead and get to work, knock this out. So, hey, stay tuned, y'all. So the next video, y'all gonna see it all covered up and everything. It's gonna be looking good. But I still gotta figure out where I'm gonna put the lights at though. Man, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Man, it's raining like heck out there. Oh my gosh. That's why it's good to have a garage. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all though once I get everything finished. So just be on the lookout for the next video when everything is completed back there. So like I said, this is just an update just to show y'all what's going on in the background. So hey, look, this DJ Ron, the mechanic here. Hey, look, once again, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell, y'all. Yeah, that's it. Let's get to work, y'all.